Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, students, today our topic is chemical species. So, what are the chemical species? The chemical species can be defined as the chemical substances which are highly reactive and can easily participate in a chemical reaction are called chemical species. So, in chemistry, those chemical substances which are unstable and can easily participate in a chemical reactions are called chemical species. There are two types of chemical species, ions and free radical. So first we will discuss the ions. What are ions? Ions, the appearance of positive or negative charge on atoms or molecules by the loss or gain of electron are called ions. When the atoms or molecule either gain or lost electron, so they will become either positively charged or negatively charged. So when the atoms or molecule become charged, then the charged chemical substances are called ions. Simply, the ion can also be defined as the charged chemical substances are called ions. There are two types of charges, either positive or negative. For example, sodium Na+1. Sodium has lost one electron, and when sodium lost one electron, the number of proton in the sodium will become more than the number of electrons. So, a net positive charge will appear on sodium because all the atoms are electrically neutral, because the number of protons and number of electrons in an atom are the same, and proton carry positive charge and electron carry negative charge, and their number are the same. So the net charge on atom is zero. For this purpose, we can say that atoms are electrically neutral. Similarly, magnesium. Magnesium in free state has zero oxidation state. Magnesium is neutral because the number of proton and number of electron in the magnesium are equals. So the net charge on magnesium is zero. But when magnesium lost two electrons, so the two proton will become more in the magnesium, and the proton carry the positive charge. Therefore, the magnesium will have +2 charge. Similarly, Cu+1. By the loss of one electron, copper became +1 charge. Iron, when iron lost 3 electrons, so +3 charge will appear on iron. And chlorine. Look to the chlorine. Chlorine also in pre-state has zero charge because the number of proton and number of electron in the chlorine are the same. Therefore, chlorine is electrically neutral. But when chlorine atom gain one electron, so the number of electron will become more than the number of protons. Therefore, the chlorine will become negatively charged. Similarly, fluorine has a negative charge because fluorine has gain electron. Oxygen has a negative charge because it has gained 2 electron. Therefore, it is negatively charged. So, when the atom lost electron, they will become positively charged. And when the atom gain electron, they will become negatively charged because electron carry the negative charge. So by the removal of negative charge, the atom will become positively charged. and by the gaining of negative charge, the atom will become negatively charged. So those ions which are made of a single atoms are generally known as simple ions. These all are simple ions because they are made up of only one atom, therefore they are called simple ions. Similarly, ammonium ions, hydronium ion, C2H5O minus ion, CH3COO minus ion, they are called molecular ion because they are made up of molecules. So those ions which are made up of molecules are called molecular ions. Okay? Now, there are two types of ions on the basis of charge. First one, positively charged ions. Positively charged ion. The appearance of positive charge on atoms or molecules by the loss of electron are called positively charged ion, or they are also called cations. Cations. Because we know there are two types of electrodes. One is positively charged electrodes and another is negatively charged electrodes. The positively charged electrodes are known as anode, and the negatively charged electrodes are called cathode. All batteries have electrodes. There are two types of electrodes, cathode and anode. The positively charged electrodes are called anode and the negatively charged electrodes are called cathodes. So, why we call the positively charged ion as cations? Because when we dissolve the electrolytes in a battery, the positively charged ions are coming toward cathode. Therefore, they are called cations. Cations mean coming toward cathodes. All the positively charged ions are coming toward cathode. Therefore, the positively charged ions are called cations. Cations. For example, sodium. When sodium lost one electron, it will become plus one charge. By the last of one, Es mean electrons. Negative, it means that the electron carry the negative charge. Electron carry the negative charge. So when sodium lost one electron, it will become plus one charge. So this sodium ions is called cation because now the sodium ion will be deposited at cathode. So for this purpose, it is called cations. Similarly, magnesium ions. When magnesium lost two electrons, so by the loss of two electrons, it will become plus two charge. So the appearance of positive charge are called cation because now the magnesium ions will be deposited on cathode. Therefore, the magnesium ion is also called cation because coming toward cathodes. Second types, negatively charged ions. The appearance of negative charge on atoms or molecules by the gain of electrons are called negatively charged ion or anion. Anion. Why the negatively charged ions are called anion? Because in the battery, when the electrolytes become ionized, so the negatively charged ion will be deposited at anode. Therefore, the negatively charged ion are called anion because the negatively charged ion are coming toward anode. Anion mean coming toward anodes. Therefore, the negatively charged ions are called anions because the negatively charged ions can be deposited on anode. Therefore, they are called anions. For example, chlorine molecule, when take the 2 electrons, so by the gaining of electron, they will become negatively charged ions. Therefore, they are called negatively charged ions are anion. Similarly, oxygen, when take the 2 electrons, they will become minus 2 charged. So, the negatively charged ions are called anions. Look here, at the reaction, at the right side, plus electron mean the removal of electron or loss of electron. And at the left side of the reactions, the plus mean addition or gaining of electron. So, by gaining of electron, the neutral atom or molecule can become negatively charged. And by the loss of electron, the neutral atom or molecule will become positively charged. So, these were the types of ions. Okay? Do you have any questions? So, please ask me.